All right, it's Christmas time. That means that I am hearing the song 12 Days of Christmas pretty much everywhere, at the store, on the radio. And like everybody, I sort of sing along for a while up until I get to the part about the five golden rings. Then I ask myself, how many gifts does this person have to give? I mean, he's not just giving 12 gifts. Every day, you get all of the gifts from the previous days. So my question to you is, how many gifts total are given in the 12 Days of Christmas song? I decided to ask some students just before break. This is what they had to say.
Maybe like a 80-ish.
80-ish.
I don't know.
80-ish.
I don't know, like 300 something.
300 something. She's down for 300 something.
100.
60.
60.
No, it's way more than that. It's got to be like at least 5.
At least 5?
Yeah.
After 12 days, you think you get 5 gifts. And you're in IB.
I'm thinking like it doubles every time, so it's got to be like 256.
13 times 6, because 12 is 1, and all equal 13. 13 times 6.
Wait.
10.
Wait.
I'll say 98.
98.
Oh wait,
What if-
it can't be even. Let's say
It can't be
99.
even. 99.
It could.
So to figure this out, I made sort of a display here that shows the gifts for the first 6 days. There's your partridge, 2 turtle doves and a partridge, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge, and so on up to the 6th day. And I want to know what the total number of gifts is, which is actually just another way of asking how big, if I made you notice these things stack up into a nice little pyramid. If I made a pyramid that was 12 marbles high, how many marbles would there be in the pyramid? Let me give you kind of a key insight. I'm going to just use this day 3 to start with. There happen to be 10 marbles in here. I happen to know that if I take 6 of these pyramids, 6 of those, I can rearrange it into a box, which I have done. And notice that on day 3, I can build a box that is 3 by 4 by 5. And I've used 6 of those. So if I have 60 marbles in my box, 3, 4, 5, then if I divide that by 6, I get back to 10. That tells me how many marbles are in my stack. That's an interesting relationship, right? For day 3, I can build a box that's 3 by 4 by 5 if I use 6 copies of the pyramid. So if I take those 6 copies and divide by 6, that'll give me how many are in the original stack. We can do the same thing for my stack of 4. There happen to be 20 marbles right here. When there are 4 marbles, if I took 6 copies of that, my theory says that I should be able to build a box that's 4 by 5 by 6. If 3 gives me 3, 4, 5, 4 gives me 4, 5, 6, that gives me a big box. If I divide by 6, that should tell me how many marbles were in my original pyramid. 4 times 5 times 6 is 120. Divide that by 6, I get 20, and that is in fact how many marbles were here. So it looks like we've got a formula that works. On any day n, I can build a box that is n times n plus 1 times n plus 2. That would be the dimensions of the box on day n. If I divide that box by 6, I'll get the number of marbles in the original stack, which is the same as the number of gifts given in the song. So if I calculate, let's see, I want n to be 12. So if I calculate 12 times 12 plus 1 is 13, times 12 plus 2 is 14, and divide that by 6, I get 364, and that is the number of gifts given in the 12 Days of Christmas song. Now, did anybody get it right?
364.
Bam! One student got it right, 364 gifts. That's the answer. I hope you had a great break, and I will see you next time.